I feel really fortunate that we were able to utilize IdeaCycleX and their Proxy service. Seybert's Billiard Supply was embarking on a complete rebranding of the organization. We needed everything from brand guidelines and a logo, ultimately through to a new website. What IdeaCycleX brought to us was a creative brief process that made sure they got a great download from us on what we feel like really makes us unique in the market, and they were able to take that, introduce it to 4 of the people in their Rolodex of contacts, and we were able to have some of the greatest creative minds in the country really help us with identifying and creating a brand manifesto that really got to the crux of who we are and what makes us special, and articulated that in a really creative way. I think if you were to ask me what is the main or the biggest benefit of the Proxy service, it would be having access to that Rolodex. We just don't have the contacts that the IdeaCycleX team do, and so it was amazing to have some of the people work on our brand with the resumes and back catalog of work that they've got. That's a real privilege to have some of those experienced minds working on our little company.